Hello everyone, this is another tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to see how the remote of Protos VMX works, what are the different functions and how you can use it. So you will find 4 different buttons on this. So this one is for the power, this is for the speaker. Suppose you have parked the scooter somewhere and you want to find out where it is, then you can press this button. Then this button is for unlocking the alarm, and it also works for turning off the scooter. And this is the lock button is for engaging the alarm. Now you must remember one thing: if you are using this remote to turn on the scooter, then this key won't work. If you will turn it on and off, so it won't be working at that time. So if you are using remote, then to turn off the scooter you will have to use this remote only. So once you have turned it off, then you can use the key again like a normal scooter to turn it on. So let's see how it works. So you see the power button. To turn the scooter on, we'll press it twice. Now you can see that scooter has turned on. Now to turn it off, just press this one. Now it has been turned off. Now you want to find the scooter, press this and it will start ringing an alarm. Press it again and it will turn off. Now this is the lock, the button that engages the alarms. So now I have pressed, you will see a single beep. Now the scooter has the alarm on. So suppose if someone tries to move it, then it will start making noise, and there will be a resistance in the motor. It won't rotate freely. So this is how it works. And again you can press this button to unlock it. So I hope everything is clear about how the alarm works. So if you have any doubt, you can simply comment and we will get back to you. And also our scooters are available on sale, both Protos and Protos VMX. So if you want, you can contact us on our WhatsApp, or you can also visit our website. Thank you for watching.